Memorial Day is, of course, going to mark the first major holiday since many of the COVID restrictions have been lifted.
But health officials are asking Americans not to throw caution to the wind, especially if you haven't been vaccinated yet. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with some thoughts on how to approach the long weekend. Hi, Doc.
Hey, Kim and Evan. Yeah, I think it's important to keep things in perspective. Half of American adults are now fully vaccinated, but that also means half are not. And that means that there are going to be lots of challenging decisions to make about where to go, who to see, and what's really safe for your family. It's the unofficial start to the summer, and for many, the unofficial return to travel, get-togethers, and group fun.
Put that shot in my arm for a reason, so I could get back to normal.
We are on a good downward path, but we are not quite out of the woods yet.
Yet many will be headed out to socialize and celebrate.
This pandemic is not over. It is just going into a different phase.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Frank Esper recommends choosing outdoor activities like backyard barbecues and picnics, especially if gatherings will include children or other unvaccinated people. While the fully vaccinated can safely gather together inside, don't drop the good hygiene habits like hand washing.
We should really think about how good we have it right now. Where we are right now is a very good place, and think about why we've gotten here.
And remember, while many kids aged 12 to 15 have received their first dose of the Pfizer vaccine since it was authorized for them earlier this month, they are not fully vaccinated yet and still need to be taking precautions. The overall message for Americans: this is not a one-size-fits-all holiday.
If you are vaccinated, you are protected, and you can enjoy your Memorial Day. If you are not vaccinated, our guidance has not changed for you. You remain at risk of infection. You still need to mask and take other precautions.
Now, I would encourage everyone to be understanding if your family and friends aren't ready to get together or maybe feel safer doing it with masks. This is a time of transition, and not everyone is ready to take those steps just yet.
And Frank, I understand there's also some new information out today about how the vaccine works and those people who may be immune compromised. Talk about that.
Yeah, a new small study actually looked at the immune response in 82 people with autoimmune diseases who had received the Pfizer vaccine. Some of those patients took methotrexate. That's a common treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, and some other autoimmune diseases. Scientists found the vaccine did not induce an adequate antibody level in about a third of the patients that were on the methotrexate. Now, clearly more research is needed, but this does suggest that patients on methotrexate should be more cautious even if they are fully vaccinated.
Yeah. Okay, good information. We appreciate it, Dr. McGeorge.